In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download apps on PC and laptop. Start by opening the Start menu, then type in Microsoft Store and open the Microsoft Store. Click the profile icon at the top, then sign into your Microsoft account. Select the search box and search for the app or game you want to download. Alternatively, you can look at apps using the categories on the side. Select the app you want to get. Click the Get button, then choose to install. Once installed, you can click the Open button to use the app. If you want to download games, then open the Xbox app. Search for the game you want. Select the game, then click the Get for Free or Buy button depending on the game. Choose to install, then select where you want to download the game to. Click Next, then choose to install and wait for the game to download. Once done, you can click the Play button to play the game. If you want to download apps on PC without the Microsoft Store, then you can get them from the official websites for the application. If you choose to download an app from a website, then make sure you only download trusted applications from the official websites, such as Discord from the Discord site and Fortnite from the Fortnite website. Find and click on the download button. It'll typically be on the main page or the download page. Open the download manager, then select the Show in Folder or Open File Location button. Double-click on the installer, then run through the process to install the application or game. The process will vary depending on the application. Once done, the app will either open, or you can open it using the desktop shortcut, or open the Start menu and search for it. Some games like Fortnite require you to install a launcher first. You can install the game from the launcher by searching for it. You now know how to download apps on PC and laptop. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.